Mysteriously stunning abstract art. I'm so in love with this. The colors are amazing. I do love the dimension in this piece. Check out today's creation video. It's a combination of the multicolor pearl cells and a ribbon pour. Check it out, guys. You're gonna love it. Hello everyone, this is your girl Camille. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm working on a repurposed canvas and I'm using some leftover paints from my previous videos, yellow, green, purple and gold. Just the video I did before this one where it was a combination of 3 techniques, the ribbon pour, straight pour, and of course my pearl cells puddle pour technique. So I wanted to create some, beautiful effects. I wanted to have some 3D effects with some beautiful pearl cells. And I've never tried the ribbon pour before. This is actually my second attempt. And after I've done the previous video, I thought, you know what, let me try it another way. And so here I am just sharing it with you. I do hope you guys enjoy today's video. And if you do, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. And of course, if you haven't subscribed as yet, hit that subscribe button, hit the bell, hit all so that you're notified each time I post a new video. This was an experiment, and like I've said, guys, I do love the way it turned out, and I want to be doing some more different colors and just to see how the paints react and of course the beautiful outcome. Glad to be here with you guys to inspire you, to share with you, and have fun. All right, remember guys that art is therapy, and that's one of the reasons why I'm sharing a bit of my skills with you, that you guys can learn from it and feel good within yourself, that you guys are all creators. You can create whatever the beautiful things that comes to your mind and you want to just put it down on canvas. This is what this channel is all about. Tonight's video is also a part of our weekly Tuesday night train with me, Holly, Laurie, and Nate. And guys, we are excited to share our various techniques with you every Tuesday night. So do check us out. And of course, I'll be listing their channel name, the rest of the participant channel name, or their video names in my description below. All right, so do go ahead and check it out. If you have missed their premiere on the night of the premiere, don't forget to just go back and watch their videos. Give them a thumbs up, guys. And of course, you can say, Camila Moy sent you if you've missed the night of the premiere. It's just a small group of us each Tuesday night, and I do look forward. I do love, when they come out with and talk with us and ask us questions. This is what, help us to really reach out to our viewers, our subscribers. We do love those live chats, and it's a part of what makes us artists here on YouTube, interact with our viewers, and it's fun. As simple as that. We're just having some good times. All right, so here I am, guys, just layering the colors in puddles. This is why it's called a puddle pour pearl cell technique, because I pour the paint in puddles. And then I will be dumping that black Artist Loft floor acrylic or soft body paint over these colors. It's all about the density, guys. You don't have to worry about mixing your paint with any special ingredients to create all these beautiful cells. I've done a video with just paint and water showing you how you can create beautiful cells. It's all really about the density in the paint. These colors are mixed just a bit thicker, or I really should say that it has like a warm honey effect, meaning that when you pour it off your popsicle sticks, it leaves a slight mount, and then it disappears. So it's not too thick. All right, and then with the black that I pour over, it's mixed a bit thinner. I just add a bit more water to it. And yes, guys, I do mention that I do mix my paints with Zinsulators Extender. I just it's just an option for me. I don't really have to. You don't have to use it, guys, but if you have access to Floetrol, go ahead and use it. Dwight from Dwight Pours. He makes some beautiful pearl cells. I learned from watching his videos, and he used Floetrol. So you guys just, use what works for you. You have to find what really works for you guys, okay? All right, so here I am. I just poured the black over the colors, and I've been trying the ribbon pour. So that was my way of doing the ribbon pour. I wanted the ribbon pour to have an effect over the black after I stretch it out. And as you can see, I'm just stretching it. This is a circular canvas. It's a 10-inch round canvas, and all that ribbon pour that I poured over the black has literally disappeared. Okay, what was in the cup, guys? For the previous video, I did a straight pour. I went and layered the cups using the same colors, but in between each color I had added white satin enamel. It's just Artist Love for White mixed with some Deco Art satin enamel, and I just mixed it a bit thinner than, of course, my black and all of that, and add that white in between each color that was layered in the cup. I hope I don't confuse you guys. I'm so sorry. So here's a cup. It's just a mixture of the white with the gold and the green and purple, the same colors that I use. But because the colors were layered, whatever I poured off first had already been gone. So right now it's just the gold and maybe a bit of the yellow that was left in the cup with the white. So I decided, you know what, I'm not going to stretch this out anymore. I'm just gonna go ahead and torch it and see what happened. And of course, guys, I really do love the outcome. Don't even ask me what I had in my mind. I just wanted to try this out. I've done so many pearl cells, and I know that part would have come out okay, but how the ribbon pour was going to work with this, I just had to try. I am loving it. Let me know how this one makes you feel, guys. Just leave me a comment. I am curious to hear what you guys have to say. This is something new for me. I've never really done the ribbon pour before, but you know what, I'm looking forward to do some more of this technique. Here I am just adding some more of that yellow. I'm just dipping the end of my skewer in my cup with the yellow paint, and I'm just putting that yellow over the white that has the satin enamel in it. So this is how it works. Satin enamel tends to spread a bit and take over. So I'm just adding the yellow here to brighten some areas. So I won't be doing it all throughout, but I'm just adding it in areas where I think I want to see more of the color. Alright, so do enjoy the rest of the video, guys, and I will see you for the close-up of the wet result and the dried result. So don't go away. See you. Here it is, the close-up of the wet result. Do love how bright these colors are, and I do love the dimension in here. The green mixed with the yellow and the purple. Oh my goodness, amazing. And then the phthalo green, beautiful guys. The white over these colors really does create an amazing effect. I'm glad I added that, and I'm happy I added some Satin Enamel in this mix just to create beautiful effect here, guys. I do love how, you know, the cells are different in sizes too, you know, and they're just unique and beautiful. Let me know what you guys have to say about this one in the comment section below. And of course, give this video a thumbs up if you do like it, and you know, let me know in the comment section, guys. And here it is, coming up dried. There's no finish on this, no resin, no varnish, and of course you know that acrylic paint dries a bit dark, but here it is. I do love it. It's amazing. I'm really happy with the way this one turned out. You know, for my second attempt with this ribbon pour, I am happy. I'm really happy. You know, it's a beautiful technique, and I do hope to do some more of this ribbon pour and pearl cell combination. This was absolutely so much fun. More fun creation videos, and of course sharing it with you, hoping to inspire you to try and do something of your own. And of course, thank you so much for joining me all the way to the end of another beautiful Tuesday night premiere. Coming up next will be Nate, and I will see you guys next time on Camila Moy Art. Bye.